I had two patients in clinic today that made the comment, I'm in pain, but that's part of being old. And I would come back and say that's not necessarily part of becoming older. Pain is usually related to something that's going on physically with your body. And as it pertains to the hip or the knee or most joints for that matter, I think it's important to differentiate discomfort from pain. Part of that is, getting a thorough evaluation, getting an x-ray, getting physical exams, and really understanding what's the diagnosis. And for the most part, we should be able to find out what's going on and at least help make it so that either the pain is better or the function improves, and hopefully both. And that doesn't mean surgery. The majority of the time, it just means realizing the problem, working together to figure out what works for you, and then applying those principles so that as you start doing the things that you enjoy doing, you can do them more often and better and the way that you want to do them. So I guess today I was sort of just inspired to say, don't accept pain as a standard of life. It really isn't, and it shouldn't be. And that's what we're here for, to work with you to figure out what the problem is and try to come up with a solution.